Hey guys, today we'll be making an adorable ruffle Christmas deco mesh wreath. What you will need, I have a 16-inch wreath ring with the stems attached. You can also attach your own stems. I will link videos showing you how to do so in the description box down below. 10-inch deco mesh, and this is the soft poly deco mesh. Scissors or a rotary cutter. Alright, let's get started. So first thing I'm going to do is raise all of my stems prior to placing my mesh. So I've already cut my mesh into 10-inch long pieces, and I've cut the red and white and also the solid white. And for each bundle I'm going to have 3 pieces of mesh. You can go with more or less, it's just how poofy and fluffy you want your wreath to be. But I feel like 3 makes a pretty decent sized wreath. So I have layered them all one on top of the other. Place them slightly off center, and that'll just give you a fuller, wider effect. But for this specific wreath, I'm just going to place them one on top of the other. And then I'm going to just scrunch, scrunch, scrunch right in the center. Just like that. Place it on my stem. Twist it a couple of times and then tuck it away. And then once we get all the mesh placed, we'll flare it out and fluff it up a little bit more. And then I'm going to go to the next inner stem. I like to start with the inner ring and work my way to the outer ring. And I like to alternate as well. So at first I had the red and white, solid white, red and white. This time I'm going to go with the solid white, red and white, and solid white again. You could keep it all red and white on top or all white, like whatever you prefer. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. Place my mesh. Twist it and tuck it away. And then when we separate the layers, you'll be able to kind of see all of them. So don't worry if you think anything's going to be hidden away. So I'm just going to continue alternating on the inner ring and repeat the same steps on the outer ring. Once I have all of my mesh placed on the inner ring, I'm going to repeat the same steps on the outer ring. Alright, so once you have all of your mesh in place, you can just like adjust and maneuver it. I'm just going to come around and flare out my mesh. I have 3 pieces in each bundle, so I want to make sure all pieces are visible, and it just makes it extra poofy and extra fluffy. You can keep it just layered how it is if you prefer that look more. I'm going to do that for all of my bundles on the inner and outer ring. And you are all done. So cute, simple, and easy to make. Modify the color, the style, add in any additional embellishments you prefer. You can even add an adorable sign to the center or some really cute ornaments. Just have fun with it and make it your own.